Edgar and Joseph versus Winnie and Vicentino. Edgar and Joseph versus Winnie and Vicentino, court number 5. Court number 12, umpire number 12, court number 12, umpire.
Sunod dali. One lang.
7 minutes,
Asa?
points, court number 12.
Asa ang imo na? Dire.
Jibril and Nathan versus Lloyd and Tom.
Ha? Kato. Kato, Banilan.
Panilan.
Ikaw, asa man ka? Wala ka.
Naan mo ko.
Championship 2-1. Three, one. Yay! So, pagit. 2-3.
Correction, court number 12, Stephen and John Michael versus Jibril and Nathan. Court number 12, correction, Stephen and John Michael versus Jibril and Nathan. Court number 12. And court number 5, Edgar and Joseph versus Winnie and
5-2.
Second ball, Edgar and Joseph versus Winnie and Vicentino in court number 5. In court number 12, Stephen and John Michael versus Jibril and Nathan. In court number 10, Joel Barriga and Christian versus Kulot and James. Joel Barriga and Christian versus Kulot and James.
7-2.
In
Kira ka
court
diha.
number 7, Lauren
O, kira ka diha.
versus Sima and Brando. Sima and Brando versus Warren and Wayne, court number 7.
9-2. Ayay.
In court number 8, Andre and Junto versus Prince and Daisy. Andre and Junto versus Prince and
10-2.
Daisy, court number 8. Court number 10, Joel Barriga and Christian versus Kulot and James.
11-2.
Yang tắm.
35 man nino?
35 dai? Finals na?
Finals. 12-2.
Retake 3.
Yay. 13-2.
Maday, kita sa sneak up.
Pilar ka stepping.
Right, murag binding. Oh, yeah. Mas panit.
Ay! Laksan gid. 3-13. Fourteen, 3.
Court number 8, Reese and JC versus Andre and Jojo.
Four, 14.
Court number 7, Gina and Mario versus Warren and Wayne.
Lagi, klaro kaayo. Ay. Ay. 5-15.
Hindi ka bracket. Ang ko na web.
16-5.
Court number 9, Lance and Miguel versus Peach and Johnny. Court number 9, Lance and Miguel versus Peach and Johnny.
17-5.
Court number 3, Justin and Cindy versus RJ and Ariel. Court number 3, Justin and Cindy versus RJ and Ariel. Court number 2,
Out pag yun. 6-17.
Ron and Joe Francis versus Alvin and Junior, court number 2.
Lautman. 7-17.
Court number 3, Justin and SLP versus Corey and Ariel. Justin and SLP versus Corey and Ariel, court number 3.
Patay. 19-7.
Board number 4, Ivan and King versus Chandel and Johnson. Board number 4, Ivan and King versus Chandel and Johnson.
21-7. Muguya git. Ashel! Ashel!
Harold versus Omi and Jules. Board number 6, Omi and Jules versus Daniele and Harold.
22-7. Nap. Katong inyo ha gani ha kaya ra kay to ninyo. 21.
Board number 6,
24-7.
Board number 6, Omi and Jules.
Out. 8-24.
Ivan and King, board number 4. Omi and Jules, board number 6. Board number 6, Abay Manso.
Ah. 25-10. Ay, pagdali! Simpulay lang ati. $11.25.
Last start na lang. $26.11. Ay, sigsubok-subok.
Tuwatan, yes, mayang. $12.26. Ginhawa, ginhawa.
Court number 3, Brandon and Amy versus Ed and Father. Court number 3, Brandon and Amy versus Ed and Mother.
$27.12. Nailad mo siya.
11, Court 11 Championship. Women's meet, Yumi and Mika versus... I saw you do one. 13 points, 13 under points finals. April and Glenn versus Fritz and Dave Andrew.
28, 13.
13 under points. April and Glenn versus Fritz Andrew. Dave Andrew. Ang parang ko nila.
29, 13. 35 di ko to.
Brandon, Yumi, Ed, and Mother.
30, 13.
Court number 11, championship, 13 under points. April and Glenn, Fritz and Dave Andrew. 1 to 25 scoring.
31, 13. 32, 13. 33, 13. 14, 33. 15, 33. 34, 15. Wala pa na pa isa. Yay! 35, 15. Champion! Yay! Bye-bye! Daghan kay nananaoras at bang. Bye!